Another video. Fun stuff. Ah, I can't wait. Such fun stuff. Hmm. What do I want? I do want to do my own garden. Freaking fruit costs like a lot of money. It doesn't last long. Have y'all seen my videos where I say I slip on a banana? Come on, people. That banana been like the temperature is normal in here. Average. This is a temperature like like if you not used to the cold, you're gonna freeze in here. It's more cold in here than outdoors. But I stopped that. But no, when I had bananas back then, they didn't even last that long either. So now I gotta turn it, heat up, keep it like ambient human temperature. Yeah, human temperature, just to keep stuff. My bananas still don't last long. Put them in the refrigerator, they don't last long. Keep them freaking out in Cali, they don't last long. Keep my apples in the refrigerator, they don't last long. Keep my apples out, they don't last long. It's the temperature they're supposed to be in according to the document, but they don't last long. Hmm. Natural fruits or genetic fruit, GMOs. Yeah, both of them sucks. Both sucks. Let me get my hands on it. That apple will last like 5 billion and 20 years. It's just me, people. Come on. That's just like a warm up. And that's a warm up. It's not like and pre-warm. That's a warm up. Anyway, do my own garden. That's the plan. That's the hope. Who knows? I still do want to grow some vegetables. Gotta have my clothes. Clothes. Pretty sure y'all know what it is. CLLVES. I love those. My ligaments. Love those. Might make me a banana apple. Who knows? Go straight botanis on you. Oh yeah, I said it. Botanis. Now that's a degree that I want to get into, but eh, eh, nah, nah, no. You shouldn't go a degree that long to, combine vegetables and vegetables or fruit with fruit just to figure out how to make that. But, I mean, like, people doing like 6 years until like to figure out how to grow a tree that grow multiple fruits, and I figure out how in 4 months and grow like multiple vegetables. But, I guess, whatever. Anyway, what is these? Fun stuff. Like, was it? Oh, yeah. Was it like some be like, oh, it takes years and years for people to figure. I figured out in a day. Not that difficult, people. That's if I put time into it. It may not be like my max effort, but it's like medium effort. Oh, look. When I say if I can see, I can lick, I can touch, I can hear, I can feel and smell, it's done. Reverse engineer. Pretty balling around these parts. Ultimate people. Yes, we are ultimate people. Probably make my own degree. This reverse engineering specialties. Oh, you gonna reverse engineer myself? Ho ho. Funsies. No. I'm pretty sure I'm probably might make it away, right? If you, I might reverse it and stuff and steal my own stuff, make my own version of it. I'm pretty sure if I really want to go that level, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make it like, oh, you want to steal my stuff? Activate. Bad for babies, good for babies, bad for Batman. No one knows that reference. Maybe some people. Who knows? Anyway, fun stuff. Ah, gardens. So many vegetables and fruits. Might grow my own meat. Might become a farmer. No, that's technically not the right term. People can farmers are people who make commercial products. This is gonna be my own farm. I mean, like, if you guys gonna make like good supposedly steak like $100 for like this much, I mean, like that'll be but a steak that would last like if that person they don't have to eat like for 500 months. But since y'all can't do that, oh well. I'm not paying $100 on a steak this like was it like this big about this thick. I'll eat that in 30 minutes. The moment I cook it, and that just be a snack. Now I gotta get another one because it's just that steakily delicious, steakalicious funsies. I'm not spending that much money on that stuff. Fun stuff. Oh my, like people complain, oh, why you genetically alter a cow? Well, people, if you Want more meat then? Shut up. Are we concerned about what we put in our stuff? Okay, you have a right to do so. Don't buy my meat. We don't have no problem. It should say that. Like they didn't have a product on it, but it did say it, and they should have. Congratulations. You at least did one thing. You put a product, but now you don't. Stupid people. Or when they made corn grow in India and yeah, India and China and like way back when China didn't have that much food and they made rice have both vitamin A and vitamin E and some minerals that the rice didn't have. Great stuff, but oh no, we complain about it. Why you complain about it? Now you don't have to buy 50 other things. Oh, but food is part of living. Or then, okay, one person, 10 billion people. Great job. Tell me how your God works. I gotta know this. Me and your God have to have a sit down. We had to have a long talk. Cause I mean, I'm a noob. I don't know. Like I said, it's like a person walking to God and say, "This is how you create life," and God like, "Yeah, like I'm gonna do it anyway if God does it. This all I mean, we gonna have a long conversation. Educate me your stuff. Let me know why I've been wrong yet. Then when you do, I'm gonna ha 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 ha. Funsies. Is that all? I'm not surprised. Anyway, back to farming and gardening. Garden. Oh, I want to go. Can't wait. I want to go my garden. Fun stuff. Like I tried it. Like no, I didn't try it. One of the people I used to live with when I was a kid tried it, but people used to hop their fence and urinate on their garden so they can't grow nothing. I used to have to, wait outside in the nighttime, you know, just right by the garden. And when people hop the fence, and I'm not gonna just, deck them in the face as soon as they hop the fence. I'm gonna wait. Pants go down, whip your stuff out. You turn around, hey, poison ivy, in my hands on your balls. You have fun with that. Fun stuff. Then I got told to stop, but call the police. But oh, police not doing anything. But fine by me. Don't care. Fun stuff. Mm, fun. Mm. All this not bad influence, like brainwashing influence. Don't worry, I'm about to strip all that crap out. I brought it to the layer. All this bull crap there. I'm gonna like get it, take it apart, get immune to it, and I'm gonna crush it, turn it into nothing, and laugh at it. That's right, people. Hop on my garden, hop on my personal property without my permission. You see that sign? Trespasser will be shot. Sorry, been around too many people from Scotland, UK. Probably almost changed that. Anyway, hop on my property, pee on my garden, urinate on my garden. I'm pretty sure I put like signs out around say trespassers will be shot. I'm not gonna put that around. You trespass on private property. Break it in entry. Hmm. Fun stuff. Oh, Murphy's Law. Hmm. That garden, I eat from that garden. You urinate in it, I might get poisoned and I might die, and I would take it as such. Hmm. Oh, don't worry. Pee on my garden? Don't worry. Don't worry. Oh, you like my garden? That's why you did it? Don't worry. You're gonna like it a lot more. You and I gonna be a whole lot more intimate now. Mm. You can sleep with that garden on a daily basis for the rest of your life. That's right, people. Fertilizer. Free fertilizer. I don't condone anything illegal. That's a joke, but hey, it's not illegal for me to bash a person's face against a wall if they hop my property. Love this stuff. Couldn't do that in apartments. I can't do it in a house. I can do it properly. They break into my section or a friend's section, but the BS that goes with that. There you know. Who's gonna break into my house and just stare on my bed while I'm sleeping with a bat in their head and not do anything? I'm pretty sure they did that. Just to say, hey, I can come on, person. When I'm asleep, I'm aware. When I sleep, I hear. It's like probably easy to put stuff in my head, but hey, this is me. Put it in my head and I throw it out the other way. Wrong stuff, people. Not the one. Like it's like people putting headphones in my ear when I was in AIT or MOST. Smack one of them in the face. Wrong person, man. Like I didn't even do that. I was just like sleeping. Oh man, these people. Okay, put his headphones on. Oh, punch in the face. Nah, I didn't do that. I can't see what my body won't do. Fun stuff. Don't care. I'm pretty sure that people that slept in the same room as me said that like I don't move from my spot or I move too much, I sleep wild and stuff like that. But the moment you touch me, ho ho, the moment you even get near me and you're not, wasn't aware from the beginning, you get near me, you getting decked in the face. But you know, hop on my property, pee on my garden. Mm-hmm. Don't worry. Oh, you're very frugal. You have like 8 girlfriends and 20 babies. Those tests will be good for my garden. Garden? Grow babies. Anyway, fun stuff. Garden. Ah, man. So much fun. I had to freaking figure out the type of garden I want, figure out the type of plants I want. No, I don't care about the weather. If it's me, the plant will grow. Oh, you can grow carrots in Antarctica. Ho ho, you haven't seen me make an attempt to grow that stuff. Anyway, fun stuff. Can't wait. Asparagus. One of my favorite vegetables. Love that stuff. Was it not asparagus? Something from South America. Who knows? I figured it out. Whoa. I figured it out later. Go as I do it. Fun stuff. Anyway, for people who want to grow a garden, for those who can't say never grow a garden, you can grow a garden. You just need a closet. Like literally like a closet. I mean, yeah, a closet. You don't need a closet. You can have like a corner. You can grow a garden. Just know what you want to grow, know what the requirements to grow it, and go with the flow. Not that difficult, people. I don't see how people have a hard time. Be like water. I mean, like you guys can be like water, but like I can be like a drop of water, and I can be enough to like feed the whole existence for the next eternity. That's just me. Different quality, people. But anyway, be like water. Don't be like a tree. They say like, oh, be one of the trees that can bend but don't break. Oh, it's me. I find ways. Oh, you don't break? Oh, don't forget. Don't forget. You on ground, my friend. Oh, you can get rid of ground. Oh, it's me. Oh, you on a planet? Oh, I get rid of the planet. Guess what? Now you floating nowhere. You may not break, but if I throw you in the sun, you will incinerate. So, hey, in a way, you did break. Oh, disappear. Who knows? Anyway, that's me. Zero. Zero for life around this part. Yeah, that's right. They're going man. Actually, I want to make a banner. Zero for life around here. Anyway, fun stuff. Garden. Another video. Um, actually, no. This will be the last video for the moment. Garden. Can't wait. I have like before I moved in here, yeah, I was in like a tiny apartment. I grew like bunch of seasonings for my food. Love that stuff. Fun stuff. Loved it. Like never had to go like, oh, I can't wait. Lucky for them, like they can grow salt. I find ways. If I had to, I'll make a salt plant and grow salt. But you know, that might be in the future. Anyway, garden, funsies. Like I had plants out like seasoning outside here, but they grew. I forgot to harvest them. They died. They grew again. They died. They grew again. They died. Mm. And then winter came, and I forgot. I forgot about them. They died. And then this from this year to last year, I grew more again. They died. I tried to grow something else. They grew. I forgot about them. They died. Mm. Grew something else. They died. Brought it in. Grew it indoors. They grew big. I was looking like, I'll leave them alone. They died and stuff. But hey, the fact that I grew it and could have ate it, like, no. When I say I forgot about them, I did not say I just grew something not to use it. I at least took like 20% of it, used it with my food when I was cooking on and off, like on and off, not every day. And then like, forgot about the rest. I should have preserved it. I didn't preserve that stuff, but it won't happen again. I'm preserving it now. Like then. Yeah, I'm preserving that crap. It's not gonna happen that crap again. Anyway, gardens, bunsies. Gonna make another video about intro to meal planning. Don't forget, people, there are different type of workout. If I'm doing your meal plan, you will follow it. If I had to put a chip in your brain to make you follow it, it will happen. Don't eat that cake. The cake is a lie. But Van Winkle will tell you, if y'all seen Hellsing Ultimate on a boat, but not the original version, fun stuff, great stuff, but the original, so extreme, like the three bridge scenes, so funny, so extreme, so laughable. Like that picture, the cake is a lie. The cake is a lie. Mm, like tofu. Oh, hey, this is tastes like chicken, but it's tofu. Hmm, are you sure? Are you positive it tastes like chicken? Yes, it tastes like chicken. Are you sure? Actually, the tofu is a lie. This is mom made it, and then the tofu is chicken because it is chicken. Or the tofu is chicken because it's tofu. Who knows? Fun stuff. Go on, people. I'm out.